Students, this is the video number 19, chapter 6, heat and energy, class 9th, subject physics. So in this video we will discuss about anomalous expansion of water. Anomalous means unusual. Like normally we know on heating the substances expand, but there is one range, that is 0 to 4, water contracts. Instead of expansion, water contracts, and on being heated further from 4 to higher temperature, water again start expansion. So expansion will be observed. And opposite to that, if we'll cool the particular substance, we'll take an example of water only. So water will cool down from 10 degrees Celsius to 4 degrees Celsius. So just like other substances, water contracts. What it means, as you know, density is equal to mass upon volume. Now mass is one of the factors which remains constant. So density is inversely proportional to volume. At 10 degrees Celsius, the volume of water, that is higher, and at 4 degrees Celsius, the volume of the water is very small. Here the volume is high, and at 4 degrees Celsius volume is low. So what will happen to density? Density at 4 degrees Celsius is maximum. The density of water at 4 degrees Celsius, this is rho, that is in SI, 1000 kilogram per meter cube in SI, and in CGS 1 gram per centimeter cube, that is in CGS. This is only because of this volume. But if we'll go for further cooling the water, from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, it expands instead of contraction, because temperature is lowering, no doubt. Temperature is decreasing, 4 to 0, but it expands. What it means, volume is minimum at 4 degrees Celsius, but volume of water at 0 degrees Celsius is more than at 4 degrees Celsius. So what it means, the density of water, which is inversely proportional to volume. So density of water at 0 degrees Celsius is less than density of water at 4 degree Celsius. So the range is from 4 to 0. There are other substances also which shows the different expansion. The range is different, as in case of water, the range is from 0 to 4. 0 degree Celsius to 4 degree Celsius. So some substances such as water from 0 to 4, it contracts. But as the temperature is increasing, it must expand. But actually it is contracting. There is another one, silver iodide. That is from 80 degrees Celsius to 141 degrees Celsius. And the silica below 80 degrees Celsius. Below 80 degrees Celsius it contracts. Okay. So this is all about the anomalous behavior. With example you can learn, and in next videos we'll discuss the anomalous expansion of water with graphs. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much.